It's all okay? Mic check. There is no mic. As far I'm growing up. Yeah. As far I'm growing up, of course, I am Prakriti. Please don't. Okay. So let's start now.
You came with a warning. I should have seen it. My bad for falling.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Prakriti. So today in this video, as per the title suggests, I'll be doing this Punjabi style simple makeup look. I just love this kind of makeup, and recently I discovered that I love wearing patialas and all those like kurtis, sets and churidars. I discovered that Indian wears are something I'm liking these days very much, wearing it more often. And of course, I don't know, maybe the videos that making me so much inspired to do many Indian makeup looks and all. Maybe that's the case, or there's something I'm growing up, my taste is getting different, my viewpoint, my comfort, everything is changing as far I'm aging. No, as far I'm growing up, of course. I'm filming a makeup video after a really long time now. The last I did was in the Raksha Bandhan time. Then the video I put on was the Geo haul. There also I could not do any kind of makeup because my skin was not behaving at all. So I had to stay away from makeup. Now also, if you can see really on a closure, or even you will be looking at the starting of the video where my pimples here, and there are lots of this and that. Those are all fading, but not gone fully. Still, I thought I want to do it. I was feeling really bored by the time, so I thought to get up and start the hustle again. So before starting the video, let's do some formality. So please don't forget to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you will be having a great time with me. So now, without any further ado, let's start the video. So starting with the primer. So let me tell you one thing before that. I have already cleansed my face and moisturized it well. By the time the moisturizer was sinking into my skin, I did all the setup, so there is no footage of that. Now I'll be moving to my eyes with the help of this fluffy brush. I'm using the Red Alert palette from Makeup Revolution, and we'll be doing the base of the eye, the pink color. I'm taking here all the pink shades. I thought of doing pink and golden color eyes, and my today's agenda will be that getting a really high contoured face rather, because Punjabi people got really sharp features unlike me, so I can achieve it only if I do a really good contour of my face. So yeah. So now I'll be taking the golden color from the same palette and will be applying on the inner corner of my eyes, so to get a shimmery look at the inner corners, and a pink to magenta color on the outer corner. I'm using my fingertips to blend it really well. I often do that. I prefer doing with my fingertips. I find it really easy, and I think it just blends really well. Now I'll be moving to the eyeliner. Here my one eyeliner just got dead, so I have to use another one. I used the sketch eyeliner from the Blue Heaven. It's really gives me easy to do any kind of, because of the sketch pen tip like adapter it got. I don't like a full coverage foundation, so I often use so I prefer to do like the medium to like sheer coverage foundation. Here I'm using the Fit Me. Now we'll be going to the concealer. My contouring palette is just shattered, and yeah, you have saw in my earlier video. So still I'm using this. I can't waste the product, of course. There is so much. It was just new. So yeah, I'll be doing that, and then I'll be concealing my face, my cupid bow. Now this is the part where I will take time and do it really nicely after baking, of course. So to get all those sharp features, yeah. Now we'll be contouring my nose. Now I'll be doing my lower lash line. I'm using the same color, same base color as similar as I did with the eyes, the base of the eye. Then using the Lakme Iconic Kajal, I'll be doing on the lower lash line. Then I'll be simply merging it all with the help of this flat brush so that there is no sharp edges. Now I'll be doing my eyebrows. I think it's pretty good. Then I'm moving to do my eyelashes using this mascara from Lakme Iconic range. I think it's pretty good. Now blush, of course. I'm getting this really pinky, peachy color blush. And now I'll be using the magenta color from the Red Alert palette, and using the earbud. I will be doing a small bindi like thing. I think this looks amazing. I got the idea of doing this from Jyoti Sethi's channel. Then I'm using this Lakme matte lipstick, the bullet one. Yeah, that's pretty good enough for the look. I think it's look good. Rest you guys tell me how it looks. And this is the final get up of today. So this is my final look. I got this dupatta. I hope my earrings, my bangles are going with it. I wanted something different kind of earrings, but I could not get in the market. Also, I don't own one. So yeah, that's what I got. I put together to do this look today. And if you like the video, don't forget to click the like button. Also, अगर तुमको नहीं पसंद आया तो तुम definitely dislike कर सकते हो, so that I can get more motivation to get better than this. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Even if you have enjoyed a little bit, that will be a really great thing for me. So today I'm going. I'll be seeing you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.